Hello everybody and welcome to my new project. I hope you enjoyed the short intro showing a legend of the golden age of aviation in the 50s and 60s. From 1958, Lufthansa used 4 of these Super Connies on non-stop flights between Frankfurt and New York. But let's swing over now and have a look at its model produced by Schreiber in Germany. Okay guys, here we go. On the second side, you have your first instructions and exploded views. On the third side, you recognize that the German publisher uses a color code. Yellow, for example, means that these parts have to be strengthened with cardboard. Frames and parts of the fuselage. More parts of the fuselage. I think I'm gonna cut out the windows and replace them with clear parts. Just found another little difference to the polished kit. Look here, this is part number 5. And they also printed it on the back side of the part, which is a very nice thing. They printed the assembling instructions on the back side of the parts, which is a nice idea. More frames. Another instruction for a building group. Tail parts. Fuselage. Interior frames. So this means, for example, the red color is glued on this part and the blue color connects the part with itself. And the white color connects this part to the next part. Props, wings, interior frame, again wings, stabilizers, frames, cowling, more cowlings, props, and props again. Okay guys, this was a short preview and I hope you stay tuned for video number 1 on my Lockheed 1649A Super Star Constellation build. Thank you for watching. Happy modeling. Bye bye.